Hey guys, this is Clutching Up the Gamer again, and today what we're going to be doing is, we're going to be looking at my little Nerf gun. Now I'm going to set this camera on the bed. Now we're just going to go over this, we're going to shoot it one time, see how powerful it is. So just let me go get it. Alright, mates. Alright, you guys, I got my gun. And here's the ammo that it takes. It takes these, hold on. It takes these right here. You can get more ammunition for it if you want to. Okay. And right here is the gun itself, the blue one. It's pretty cool. It's called the Rival. This is what kind I have. It's the one where the ammunition goes right here where I stick my fingers in. Alright, let's just put the ammo in. Alright, let's see, you guys. I'm going to see if there's a bullet in here. Okay. There isn't a bullet in this thing. Now what you do, if you don't have any bullets, you're gonna pull back this. So let me do that. Dang it. It's on a different mode. Something wrong with it. Hold on, you guys. Yeah. Alright, you guys, now let's pull it. Alright, so what you do is you get that out of the way. You pull this all the way back to here. This is the end. And this right here, if you press this, it won't fire anymore. So it's got a safety because it's pretty powerful. But if you press it on the other side, it's ready to fire. So let's see how powerful this thing is. I'm sorry about the face thing. I'm not allowed to do that, so yeah. Alright. Let's see how powerful the thing is. Alrighty, let's do this daggone thing. Here we go. Now this hasn't got the best aim in the world. Just let me. Dang it. Well, that was only a one shot for me. Well, I will see you guys later. Bye.